In this video, we will talk about how to solve a direct variation example. Remember, direct variation is when y directly varies with x. In this example, it says if y varies directly as x and y is equal to 6, when x is equal to 4, find k, the constant of variation, by writing an equation that represents the relationship between x and y. First, to find k, we will have to solve for k with the given x and y values. So what I'll do first is copy this example or this equation, y is equal to kx. And in the original example up here, I was given y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 4. So what I'm simply doing is trying to solve for k. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the y is equal to 6 over here. So I'll say 6 is equal to, I don't know what k is, and then x is already given to me, which is a 4, so times by 4. To solve for k, I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So k is equal to 6 divided by 4, which is 1.5. So my equation, I'm going to plug this in to make equation, or to the original equation. So my answer will be the y is equal to kx, but now I can plug in the k. So my answer would say y is equal to 1.5x. Now that we have our equation of y is equal to 1.5x, we will write a new equation that represents the relationship between x and y. So what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to find y when x is equal to 7, and we'll be able to find x when y is equal to 12. Here we go. For the first one, we're going to take x and plug it in where the x is. So y is equal to 1.5 times x, which is 7. 1.5 times 7 is 10.5, so y is equal to 10.5. For the next example, we'll still use the same equation we found with the previous slide. This time, though, we're plugging in the 12 for y to find x. So instead of y, we'll see a 12, and then is equal to 1.5x. To solve for x, we will divide both sides by 1.5. So x is equal to 8.